Welcome to Journey to Bloom. In today's video, we'll share our top 3 tips that are great for promoting hair growth using simple home remedies. Unlike commercial products, these remedies are free from harsh chemicals and come with no side effects, making them a safe and effective choice for anyone looking to restore their hair health. Tip number 1 is scalp massage. Massaging your scalp improves blood flow to the hair follicles, which in turn promotes hair growth. Scientific studies have even confirmed the benefits of scalp massage for stimulating hair growth, making it a must-try remedy for anyone dealing with hair loss. Tip number 2 is focusing on natural, balanced foods. What we eat plays a significant role in the health of our hair. Proteins, as well as foods rich in vitamins and minerals, support healthy hair growth. Additionally, supplements like bee pollen can provide essential nutrients for promoting hair health. Tip number 3 is using homemade oil masks. Start with a carrier oil such as coconut oil, castor oil, or grapeseed oil. Then, add a few drops of essential oils known for their hair growth promoting properties. Options include thyme, lavender, cedarwood, or rosemary essential oils, just to name a few. Apply the oil mask to your scalp and hair. You can leave it on for as little as 5-10 minutes, or even overnight. I usually like to use my Sundays as self-care days and keep it in the whole day before taking a relaxing shower or bath. With these simple home remedies, you can take control of your hair health and prevent hair loss naturally. Try these remedies today and start your journey to stronger, fuller hair.